Hi and welcome to Jawad's Academy. Today's lesson is about derivative of exponential function with base e. Y equals e to the power of x. So there are a few types of exponential functions, but today we're just finding the derivative of y equals base e to the power of x. Now, in order to find the derivative of this function, so when we have y equals e to the power of x, and the derivative would be the derivative of x multiplies by the coefficient of e, which is just 1, and we rewrite e to the power of x. And you're probably wondering, how come the derivative of e to the x is e to the x? And let's prove this then. So let me write again y equals e to the x. Now, in order to prove this, we use natural log of both sides in order to bring the exponent down. To prove that the derivative of e to the x is e to the x. So when we take in the ln of both sides, we bring the exponent down. So we have ln y equals x ln e. Now, ln e is a constant, and if you were to use your calculator to find the exact value of ln e, and remember that ln e would equal to the power of 1 would be 1. So we can rearrange this equation as ln y equals just x, because x times 1 would be x. Now we can find the derivative of this using implicit differentiation and the derivative of rules in terms of natural logs. So to find the derivative, or to get y prime by itself, so simply we go, so I'm going to show it to you right here. So the derivative of ln y would be 1 over y. And the derivative of y would multiply by the top, which is dy by dx of y prime, equal to, and the derivative of x is just 1. So in order to get y prime by itself, we simply have y times 1 would be just y. Now here we go, we have y prime equals to y. Now if I go back, we said here, what y is equal to? Y is equal to e to the x. So I'm going to go ahead and substitute for y e to the x. So therefore, y prime equals e to the x. Now, here we prove that y, the derivative of e to the x, is e to the x. And this is the proof of it. So I'm just going to leave it like right here, and hoping that you did understand, and please practice this a few times, and then you can apply this rule into any example from your textbook. So please don't forget to subscribe. If you have any question, below in comment box, leave your question. I should be able to answer it as soon as I see it, or as soon as I can. Other than that, wish you all the very best and good luck to you.